Gikone to riwruok mar Gavanas odonjo winjruok gi migao mar omenda mapacho ka ewi chiwo omenda ne counties mosebedo ka yware kuom thuolo malach.
Ma otimore kinde mane giketo e romo margi monywando Gavanas duto mapacho ka mano bagi Naivasha.
Gavanas pod nigi ywak ewi midhiero ma pod nitie koriwo koda ka sekta mar thieth.
Push for this to be reviewed by all means, and one of the most pertinent issues is the fact that these equipments came in 2014. If we are renewing contracts for them to be available again up to 2025, that is a total of 11 years, which medical equipment can actually be able to survive inactive utility for 11 years. Most of them usually go between 3 and 5 years, even in the modern world. So why are people being forced to use equipment for 11 years and pay for them dearly?
No. We must renegotiate this. We must sit down and have a candid conversation around the medical equipment scheme.
This has to be relooked into. It has to be relooked into because those extensions and everything else were just done, and you're told you just have to.
As much as the CS National Treasury talks about pending bills being given the first charge, but the most overriding thing is let them be auditable so that we are paying the bills which are having supporting documentation.
Ramogi.